Okay, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to purchase any one of the 400 or so cryptocurrency tokens supported by Binance. There's 20 currencies on this page and there's 22 pages, so you've got a choice of 440 cryptocurrencies. Now, in order to buy any one of these, we need to first buy crypto and select our payment type. Next, we need to put in how much we wish to buy, and I'm going to buy £200 worth. And we need to select the coin that I'm going to buy, and in this case I'm buying USDT, which is a Tether coin. As you can see here, popular coin, and I'm going to buy USDT. I need to put in my CVV coin, my CVV code. So the code's in, and now we buy USDT. Yes, I'm quite happy with that. So fee is £4. We're going to get an authentication payment. I have approved in the app. Okay, I need to approve that in the app. Okay, I have approved it in the app, and we should be good to go. And that's it. So the transaction is being processed, and in a short time, it's now completed. Please check your balance, and everything is good. So I've now just bought 268 USDT. I'll go to the wallet, and I'm now holding 404 USDT with a total value of $404, and it's as simple as that.